I mean, I just don't understand why people were so confused about the possibility of R. Kelly escaping prison. Like, guys, seriously, the man has been telling us, he's been telling the whole world that he can fly. He told us he believed he can fly. Have you ever believed in something? It's like everything you do comes from your beliefs, from what you believe. He believed he could touch the sky. He saw himself running through an open door. And now you're gonna come and say, hey, how did he escape? How did he do it? Have you tried sending the troops to look for him in the sky? That's what they should have done. The minute the news came out, I thought, oh, okay, they're gonna send people to the sky to look for the man. He believes he can fly, and you're looking for him underground. Hi, seriously. You take us for a joke. Like, when people tell you something, believe them. Believe them. I mean, I expected him to disappear. I expected him to fly away and, like, go. Like, he believed he could soar. Like, he believed it. And why were people surprised? The possibility of it happening is very, very high. I think instead of securing the doors and the gates, the sky, the roof of that prison better be very, very, very protected. You know the burglar guards that they must put them on the roof. Instead of ceiling board, just secure the roof. Because I'm telling you, if people believe something, it can happen. And we all know. If you ask someone, do you know any person who can fly? Arcade. So if someone believes they can fly, don't underestimate it. I don't know now why people are just so confused and so shocked that, like, I don't understand. In fact, now I should start learning to fly. There are so many things I want to escape from. So many people I want to escape from. I wish I listened to Kokwa next door when she was teaching us to fly with her broom.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.